This recording will show you how to solve an inequality involving absolute value. Our problem is absolute value of x squared minus 9 greater than or equal to 7. Recall that absolute value of x greater than or equal to a means x greater than or equal to a or x less than or equal to minus a for any positive a. For example, absolute value of x greater than 7 means x greater than or equal to 7 or x less than or equal to minus 7. Apply this to the situation. Absolute value of x squared minus 9 greater than or equal to 7 means x squared minus 9 greater than or equal to 7 or x squared minus 9 less than or equal to minus 7. Now, on the left hand side, minus 7 both sides, you get x squared minus 9 minus 7 greater than or equal to 0. On the right hand side, add 7 both sides, you get x squared minus 9 plus 7 less than or equal to 0. So you have x squared minus 16 greater than or equal to 0 on the left hand side, and x squared minus 2 less than or equal to 0 on the right hand side. And you can further factorize. X squared minus 16 is x plus 4 x minus 4. And x squared minus 2 is x plus square root 2 x minus square root 2. So we are going to solve two inequalities. Let's see how we solve the first inequality, x plus 4 x minus 4 greater than or equal to 0. You can set x plus 4 equals 0 and x minus 4 equals 0. You get 2 points. X equal to minus 4 and x equal to 4. You can draw this on the number line. The line will be partitioned into 3 parts. X less than minus 4, x between minus 4 and 4, and x greater than 4. Then we can use a sign diagram to determine where is the solution. Take for example, if I have x less than minus 4, for example, x equal to minus 5, then x plus 4 will be negative. X minus 4, minus 5 minus 4 also negative. So the product x plus 4, x minus 4 will be negative times negative, it will be positive. Now if x between minus 4 and 4, for example, x equal to 0, then x plus 4 will be positive, since 0 plus 4 is positive. X minus 4 will be negative, since 0 minus 4 is negative. Now, x plus 4, x minus 4 will be positive, times negative, and will be negative. If x more than 4, then, for example, x equal to 5, then x plus 4 will be positive, x minus 4 also positive. So x plus 4 times x minus 4 will be positive times positive, and that will be positive. Since we are solving the inequality that x plus 4, x minus 4 greater than 0, so the solution will be here. X plus 4, x minus 4 greater than 0, that means x less than minus 4. Also here, x plus 4, x minus 4 positive, so that means x greater than 4. So we know the solution for this part, if you write into the interval notation, will be solution is x less than minus 4 or x greater than 4. In terms of interval notation, it means from minus infinity to 4 to minus 4, including minus 4, since we have equality there, union 4 to infinity, since we have equality there after we consider the endpoint. Now, solve the second one. X plus square root 2, x minus 2 less than or equal to 0. Setting x plus square root 2 equals 0 and x minus square root 2 equals 0, we get 2 points, x equal to minus square root 2 equal to square root 2. And it divides the real number line into 3 parts. X less than minus square root 2, x between minus square root 2 and square root 2, and x greater than square root 2. Now let's test them. So if x less than minus square root 2, for example, x equal to minus 2, then x plus square root 2 will be negative. x minus square root 2 will be negative. Multiply x plus square root 2, x minus square root 2 negative times negative, you get positive. Or if x minus square root 2 and square root 2, for example, x equals 0, then x plus square root 2 will be positive, x minus square root 2 will be negative. So the product x plus square root 2 times x minus square root 2 is positive times negative, you get negative. And then for x greater than square root 2, for example, x equal to 2, then x plus square root 2 will be positive, x minus square root 2 will be positive again. So the product will be positive, then positive is positive. We are solving the inequality x plus square root 2 times x minus square root 2 is negative. So the answer is somewhere is here. So the solution set for this inequality will be x less than square root 2 greater than minus square root 2. Now because we have equality here, you also can include the endpoint. It works there. So in terms of interval notation will be from minus square root 2 to square root 2. Now we need to combine these two solutions because we are solving inequality x squared minus 9 greater than or equal to 7 and x squared minus 9 less than or equal to minus 7. The first one gives you x less than or equal to minus 4 or x greater than 4. The second inequality gives you x between minus square root 2 and square root 2. Now if you draw the number line, you'll find that x less than minus 4 is here, x greater than 4 is here, x between minus square root 2 to square root 2 is here. So the solution set in interval notation is minus infinity to minus 4 including minus 4 union minus square root 2 to square root 2 including square root 2 and minus square root 2 union 4 to infinity including 4. That is the end of the recording.